Alright guys, this is a revisit of this I think late 90s, early 2000s GE Quiet Air. I think this is an 18,000, I'm not really too sure. Let me take a look at the plug. Show you guys the plug on it. It is a 15 amp 220, so I think it's probably on the lower end of 220. I don't know what it's set on. Circular air and energy saver on it. So I guess we'll start it up. So you guys can get a view of it. Yeah, there you go. Alright, this is controlled by a light switch. Let's fire it. Here we go. And there you go, it's running. I think it's on low cool, I'm not too sure. Yeah, you can see the circular air running in it. I cleaned this one last year. I'm gonna have to clean it again eventually. This thing's due to be taken out and serviced, but that's probably not gonna happen for a little while. I'll show you guys the outside of it. It's a pool out there. I think this is a Matsushita.
Yeah, they had us the first half, I'm not gonna lie.
That's the other side of it. All right. Nice and cold. This thing is not due to be replaced for a good few years, that's for sure. Especially after their last air conditioner experience. They got two Frigidaire chill premiers, and one of them already died. I'm actually getting one of them today, and we're gonna see if I can fix it up, see if I can service it, see if it's fixable or if it's junk. So yeah, stay tuned for that. All right, I guess we'll shut her down now. This rattles a good bit. But yeah, that's that unit. Hear the refrigerant pumping. Good old R22 unit. Alright, over here we have a Frigidaire 10,000. Yeah, 10,000 BTU. It's Electrolux made. It's an older one. Let's see, it's getting a little dirty in there, that's for sure. Might have to clean this one out too for them in the fall. Alright, here we go. And there you go. Don't know which side the compressor's on. I think it's on this side. Let's go through the fan speeds. Here's high, medium, and low. Show you guys the outside. Yeah, the bearings on this one are starting to go out. Here it is from the outside. And there's over here, there's a little thing here. I think this is a higher, at least a higher made unit. I think it's a GE, I could be wrong. King Yang. And over here, this actually is a new unit over here. A little ream. Actually, it's a Rude. Alright. Let's go back inside and shut her down. Alright, let's shut her down. bearings are definitely starting to go out on this one. See, it's got the typical vent. Yeah, that's about it.